Is your proposal process helping or hurting you when it comes to getting clients? I'm going to give you a quick tip on how you can revamp your proposal process that might save you time and make you more profitable. But first, if you're new, my name is Michelle, and I like talking about design, marketing, and freelancing. So if you find the information helpful, there are many ways to support my channel. You can always give the video a like. I've also enabled super thanks and, of course, subscribing if you like seeing this content. Now on to the good stuff. When I first got into freelancing and I started following a bunch of different companies that coached you on how to go about your proposal process, they taught a very traditional and perhaps archaic way to go about things. That looked like the following. First, you get a lead on a new project and you decide to set up a consultation to discuss the project and what the client is looking for. From that meeting, you put together a detailed proposal on why you are the best fit for the job, your experience, and how you will go about creating your requests, and then you send over the price that you think suits the client and the job. Here's where things go haywire. If you put a lot of time and effort into that proposal, but you never spoke about what the cost could be to the client, they might look at your price and walk right back out the door. Congrats! You've just wasted a bunch of time and your wallet isn't any heavier. Talking about pricing is crucial, but you don't necessarily need to throw a number at them in that initial meeting. Getting an idea of what their budget is and what they're working with is a good idea, but even if you don't do that, here's something that you can try that might make all the difference. Starting back at the top, the client reaches out with a potential project. You set up a meeting to discuss needs, try to get their budget if you can. Sometimes people don't necessarily want to throw out a number, potentially a red flag, but we'll keep moving. Tell them you would like to send over a project pricing sheet with the packages that you offer for the services that they are looking for. You're going to do that within 24 hours. That project pricing sheet is going to showcase 3 options if you can: a lower tier, a middle tier, and a premium tier. Each package will increasingly offer more deliverables and the price will go up. Here's a fun fact. Psychologically, most people are going to gravitate towards that middle package. Why? Because nobody likes being basic, and we aren't always willing to spring for that deluxe model. The middle option feels like the best value, and that's why you're going to implement the project price that you really want for that middle tier. A couple of other tips. Price the client, not the service. If mom and pop ice cream shop are looking for a logo, would you charge the same price for Baskin Robbins? Heck no. The level of the client is going to affect your pricing, so do keep that in mind. Now, if you are looking for additional ideas on how to price your services appropriately, I highly recommend getting the book Pricing Creativity by Blair Enns. Don't be shocked, the price of the book itself is a lesson in pricing, but it is worth it. I'll leave a link in the description if you are interested in checking that out. So once you send over your pricing sheet, here's how the rest of the process is going to flow. Let's say they like one of the packages that you presented. Amazing. If they verbally or electronically agree to move forward, then you put together a detailed scope of work document that outlines all of your deliverables, your timeline, pricing, payment details, and terms and conditions that the client can electronically sign. My next video will be all about what to put into that scope of work document and what it could look like. Doing this process is going to save you time up front. You are only going to pour time into that scope of work document once they have agreed to your pricing. The bonus is that you can templatize your scope of work document, and once you have that down, it can become really easy to create for other clients. So let's talk about what the pricing sheet can look like. I love being able to make my viewers' lives just a little easier by providing templates. So I have created some options for you that you can use if you'd like. They are completely customizable so that you can add your own branding and tailor the information to the services that you offer. I have Canva templates starting at $5 in my Etsy shop, plus I have bundles that contain Canva, Illustrator, and InDesign documents as well. Purchasing a template helps the channel, and of course, I always appreciate the support. Links to those are available in the description if you are interested. So if you have questions or you want to add your own thoughts, you can do so below in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.